They don't call him Messy Kev for nothing.
Actually dirty, but
Yeah,
that's
it's not dirty and messy.
Brothers Bistro. Recipe so simple, even a dude can make it.
He's Skinny Kenny,
He's Musclehead Kev.
and we're the Klar Brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro.
Wow, we didn't even know what to do after that. It was such a weird intro.
It wasn't weird. It
What
was
are we
good.
making tonight, buddy? What are we bringing
We're
out?
making bang, 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 bang.
Bang, 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 bang. We're making bang, bang shrimp tonight, and this is yeah, we're making bang, bang.
It's super simple, super easy, and like I said, it meets our criteria, and we're hoping that it's going to be
What
good.
remind me again? What's our criteria? Do
It's
you
got to
remember?
be easy to cook,
Yeah.
it's simple,
Yeah, healthy,
and healthy and tasty.
healthy and tasty. Okay, that's it. That's 4. It's not like 4.
Oh, well, simple and easy is probably the same.
Ready?
Ready?
All right, buddy. What do you think?
Well, I know this is all over here is just for that Thousand Island, and I don't really like Thousand
Yeah,
Island.
so we complicated it a little bit, but the part of a critical ingredient in the bang bang shrimp is a Thousand Island that you toss the shrimp in. So we've decided to, because there's not many ingredients, we're going to make our own Thousand Island. So we're going to use ketchup, paprika. There's no mustard in this, so throw that away.
Okay.
Lemon, salt, and some mayo. In this case, we're going to use light mayo. And we're gonna, and you could also add in pickles, sweet pickle relish.
Yeah.
And we just don't happen
Neither
to like
one-
sweet
neither one-
pickle
yeah,
relish,
we're not.
so we're not gonna throw that in because we're making our own. But if you're making your own, you can put in some sweet pickle relish.
Yeah.
And then we got our shrimpies.
And these are the pre-cooked, so these are not only detailed, but they're also de-shelled and de-veined. So a lot of times you get them with no shell and no vein, and they'll have a tail, and then you got to pull off all the tails. We broke the bank, and we got some that were completely done and cooked, pre-cooked.
Yeah. And then of course we got some cabbage. We're gonna shred that up. We got some avocado. We got some everything but the bagel seasoning and some sriracha.
For a little bang bang.
So that's where the bang bangs coming in.
Yeah.
Okay, so Kev is gonna mix up the Thousand Island. Tell him what's going into the Thousand Island dressing.
So this is my lemon juice,
And what are you pouring it into?
my mayo, my light mayo.
Light mayo, because we want
Salt.
to be calorie conscious. Salt.
My brother's gotta give the color commentary. My
And while he
paprika.
does that, I'm gonna carve up the cabbage.
I'm getting all the paprika in there. And then the last little piece, the ketchup. And I'm gonna try to mix it up without making a mess. You could have used a whisk or something else too. This seems to be working. It's just you gotta mix it up good. And it starts looking a little bit like.
Yeah, I probably would have used a fork.
What's
What's it looking like over here?
Looks pretty good, right? We just cooked it up, warmed it up a bit because we didn't want it cold in the shrimp.
Right.
It was already pre-cooked, but it was frozen, so we thawed it out and then we warmed it up a little, poured off all the water. So
How long do you think it's been on the stove?
Just 5 minutes or something, not very long. And then I'm gonna bring this over now. He's gonna follow me. I'm gonna go over with it. Dump it into here. Then what are we gonna bring in, buddy?
We're gonna try and not wreck the kitchen.
Wow.
And we are gonna pour in our sriracha. I'm taking over because, you know, we got a man down in the background. And the sriracha, so there's sriracha. Now we have tripled the recipe here, so be careful when you look at the recipe because it's only for 1 serving. And this is actually supposed to be 6 tablespoons. So we need to get our tablespoon guy. Where did that end up? There's no telling. Here's our tablespoon measurer. 6 tablespoons, you ready?
Yep.
1,
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, the reason he's got his gloves on is to actually get in there and toss it, but he's being a little shy. I'm not sure why.
Oh man. Somebody's always got something to say. Wow, there's the cabbage. There's the bang bang shrimp. And there's our avocado. Little cabbage.
It looks real good, buddy. It looks real
Little
good.
shrimp.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'll do it for you.
You'll do.
I'll
He
do
always
the
does
honors.
that because he always gives himself more.
I'll do the honors.
And I'll scoop in a little bit of the avocado. I'll put it on the side here.
How does that look?
It looks pretty good.
And we're back. Look at that. Voila!
Whew, that looks pretty good, buddy.
And it
for
smells.
a couple of noobs.
Yeah.
It turned out.
I got a
okay.
little avocado. I got a little shrimpy. Little cabbage.
Mmm.
Pretty tasty.
The shrimp definitely has a kick to it, which I like.
With the sauce, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And the everything's spiced. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
A little salty, maybe. No,
Nah, I don't know.
Okay.
Doesn't sound too bad. Tastes too bad.
but it's really tasty. And man, this was really easy.
Easy and quick. I think probably 10 minutes or so.
Yeah, if you had your own Thousand Island,
Yeah.
it was a 5-minute, 10-minute meal.
Yeah, literally. Sriracha, Thousand Island, avocado, shrimp, and cabbage. Boom, you're done. So, go over to YouTube. If you're there already, it's
Turn on the
easy.
post notifications.
Yeah, give us a big thumbs up.
And
right?
turn on those notifications.
And turn on the notifications already.
And hit the subscribe.
Yeah, and don't waste any time. And we'll be back with another great recipe before
Klar
you know
Brothers
it.
Bistro. We are out.